The corn harvesting combine cuts uniform rows of sweet corn, collecting clean ears into its stainless receiving chamber. The anti-vibration suspension system stabilizes the harvester on uneven terrain, keeping all harvested corn secure and contained.
The precision-guided steering module maintains straight harvesting lines, ensuring every ear of corn is collected efficiently and cleanly.
The elevated crop elevator lifts harvested ears into a sealed holding tank, ensuring no debris, no residences. The elevated crop elevator lifts harvested ears into a sealed holding tank, ensuring no debris, no residue.
The moisture-controlled ventilation system inside the harvester stabilizes harvested corn temperature without leakage or condensation.
The articulated transfer arm positions corn evenly inside the container, maintaining perfect distribution with no spillage along the interior walls.
The sealed top transport container prevents dust, insects, and foreign material from entering, while preserving corn freshness during the journey to the factory.
The shock-absorbing suspension system of the transport truck keeps all corn stable during movement, preventing vibration damage.
The pneumatic lift platform assists in aligning the transport truck with the factory's receiving dock, ensuring a clean and spill-free unloading path.
The stainless unloading chute channels corn directly from the container into the factory intake hopper without dust or kernel loss.
The intake hopper vibrator guides sweet corn ears smoothly into the receiving system without creating debris or kernel loss.
The defect detection roller separates damaged ears while allowing clean, intact ears to continue forward without residue.
The husk fragment filter collects small fibers and keeps the corn path clean.
The temperature-regulated airflow unit inside the container circulates cool air uniformly around the corn load, keeping all. The husk fiber extraction bar removes loose husk strings from the ears without damaging kernels. The vibration-free transfer belt moves accepted ears into the cleaning zone without shaking or scattering.
The debris separation drum rotates steadily, removing field residue from sweet corn ears without leaving particles behind.
The rotating wash drum immerses sweet corn ears in clean water streams, removing surface dust without splashing.
The incline sorting belt stabilizes corn ears during elevation, preventing roll-offs.
The contamination-free chamber isolates filtered corn from raw waste streams. The roller brush washer polishes husk surfaces cleanly without damaging kernels. The water filtration module recycles wash water through a sealed purification system. The anti-drip conveyor lifts ears out of the rinse tank without leaving water trails. The hot water sterilization tunnel immerses corn ears at controlled temperature, eliminating surface microbes. The UV intensity scanner checks lamp consistency across the entire chamber. The cooling rinse curtain stabilizes ear temperature before husk removal.
The husk removal machine peels sweet corn husks cleanly without kernel loss.
The silk removal brush eliminates all silk strands, keeping kernels pristine.
The cob eject chute removes stripped cobs without dropping debris.
The moisture control fan removes excess water from freshly cut kernels. The vibrating size grade screen separates kernels by diameter without creating dust. The rolling bar classifier directs larger kernels into a separate channel. The fine kernel chute collects small kernels cleanly with no loss. The stainless transition slide keeps kernels moving without accumulation. The final grade selector aligns kernels for blanching entry. The steam blanching tunnel heats kernels uniformly, preserving color and sweetness. The time-controlled blancher ensures exact blanch duration without overcooking.
The moisture extraction fan removes steam residue cleanly.
The hot air circulation chamber stabilizes kernel moisture levels.
The cooling belt system lowers kernel temperature evenly after blanching.
The dewatering shaker eliminates surface moisture without kernel damage.
The blanched kernels exit the drying system in perfect condition.
The cold air cooling tunnel circulates chilled air evenly across blanched kernels.
The temperature stabilizing tray reduces kernel heat without condensation.
The cooled kernels enter the quality control station.
The vibration-free conveyor prevents kernel shifting during inspection.
Approved kernels advance to the filling line.
The quality log module records batch results automatically.
The volumetric filling head measures exact kernel portions for each can.
The vibration settling platform distributes kernels evenly inside the can.
The anti-drip valve stops brine flow instantly without leakage. The lid placement unit positions sanitized lids onto filled cans. The rotary seaming head seals each can with uniform double seams. The seam strength tester checks sealing integrity without deforming cans. The pressure balance system maintains consistent internal chamber pressure. The alignment roller ensures cans rotate smoothly during coating. The anti-smudge drying light cures printed codes instantly.
The conveyor guide rail keeps cans centered during printing.
The rejection arm removes any can with unreadable code.
The code log module registers all printed lot numbers. The sealing tape module closes cartons evenly without wrinkles.
The stretch wrap module secures the pallet with clean, even film tension.